ACT, PSAT, or other standardized test passage-based reading questions. The reading section is difficult. I know I was like that. When I was in high school, reading was always my lowest score. All right, so I developed this strategy which helped me, which is now going to help you, which is to identify specific answer choices to avoid on digital SAT reading. All right. So you want to avoid extreme LY adverbs on SAT reading, as well as ACT reading, PSAT reading, etc. So answers with extreme adverbs are often going to be incorrect on digital SAT reading. So first of all, what exactly is an adverb? An adverb is something that modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Really, an adverb often ends in the suffix ly, but an extreme adverb signals a significant degree or extent of something, okay? Answers that contain extreme adverbs are often going to be incorrect on digital SAT reading questions. So what are some examples of extreme ly adverbs? It's words like elaborately, extensively, significantly, substantially. Does everyone see why these are extreme ly adverbs? Extreme ly adverbs, again, you don't need to write these all down right now. You don't need to screenshot it. You'll get a copy of the slides. We'll email to you later today after today's webinar. But does everyone understand what these extreme ly adverbs look like? You can memorize them later. So how do we apply this to digital SAT practice problems? Well, what do you guys notice about answer choice A in this digital SAT reading practice problem? Anyone notice anything about answer choice A? Yeah, it has the extreme ly adverb overly, so answer choice A is going to be incorrect. What do you guys notice about answer choice C? Answer choice C has the extreme ly adverb substantially, so answer choice C is going to be incorrect. What do you guys notice about answer choice D? It has the extreme ly adverb broadly, so answer choice D is going to be incorrect. So what is our answer? It is B. Very nice, guys. Again, this is an extreme example where 3 out of the 4 answer choices had extreme ly adverbs. But if you look out for extreme ly adverbs on the digital SAT, the ACT, and the PSAT, it'll help you eliminate many incorrect answers. All right. Why does this strategy work? Because the test question writers must be able to defend the correct answer. And when an answer is too extreme, like saying substantially, broadly, overly, it's very hard to defend that. All right. And so let me ask you, has your student learned this in high school or in Khan Academy? My guess is no, because again, I invented this strategy. So most students have not been taught this in high school. High school English teachers do not teach you to ace the digital SAT, and I wouldn't expect them to, again, teach towards the test. Khan Academy also does not teach you these kinds of strategies. Well, because they're partnered with the College Board, so they're not going to teach you how to game the College Board's SAT. These are, again, the types of strategies your child would learn in our Prep Expert Online SAT, ACT, and PSAT courses, which I'll tell parents more about at the end for those of you who are interested in enrolling your child. Was that helpful from a reading perspective? So we covered all the sections of that digital SAT, gave you some strategies, some tips there for math, for writing, for reading. Those are helpful strategies, hopefully, for parents and students who have an upcoming SAT, ACT, or PSAT. All right, I'm seeing lots of yeses come through in the chat. Now, let's talk about scholarships. All right, I know the parents have been waiting anxiously to get through the test prep strategies to get to the scholarships. So how many parents here have an 8th grader, a 9th grader, a 10th grader, or a rising 11th grader? Technically, I guess if you're an 11th grader, it might be a little bit too late for this, but we'll talk about it. If so, type a yes in the chat and pay attention, because this is going to help your child win 6 figures in college scholarships before they even get to the 12th grade. How many of you guys would like a check like this on the screen? Pay to the order of your child's name, $100,000, full scholarship to their dream college, right? Let's make it happen. So in order to make it happen, the PSAT is your golden ticket.